Okay, we are back again. This one right here is gonna get on your nerves. We are dealing with a psycho, y'all. Yo, and hit like on these videos. Subscribe to the Logic on Steroids. You know what I mean? Shouts out to the channel that provided this video. If you want to see this video without my commentary, go ahead and click right here on the top right. There you go. Now shut up and stop complaining. Yo, we're gonna get right into it right now. Let's go.
Are you ready?
I don't have to give you my license. I didn't do anything wrong. Officer, sir, I don't have. You're gonna drag me, and you're going under arrest for what? And you're gonna get a loss on protection because I don't have any drugs, nothing in this car. I didn't do anything wrong. You're stopping me unlawful.
They always talk about a lawsuit and all that crap.
Sir, I know the law.
No, you don't know the law.
I know the law. Obviously, I do. I am a home security officer.
Sound like she argued with me.
Sir.
Okay, give me your ID.
What do I need to give you my ID for? I did not commit a crime. No, I did not run a stop sign.
He said this is a traffic stop, not that you ran a stop sign. Unless he been told you that and I missed it. So
I did not commit any crime, sir. I did not commit, and I was not even doing. I was doing speed limit. I was not even speeding because I'm going through something right now. So that's not true. You came at me full throttle.
Hold up.
Full throttle.
She just said she didn't do it because she's going through something. That's like saying, oh, I'm going through something. That's why I didn't shoot the man. What? That don't make no sense. You got to be going through something to shoot the man, not going through something to not shoot the man. Oh, girl.
For no reason.
Ma'am?
Full throttle. You came at me full throttle for no reason. And
This creature with her zoobly-zoo hands drove my cats crazy with every ghetto-ass clap. Drag her ass up out of here.
I slowed up to see what the heck was speeding behind me so fast.
Give me your license.
I don't have to give you my license. For what?
You're gonna
what
get
crime?
tickets. You're gonna
you
go
can
to
do whatever
jail.
you want to do, and I can sue because I did nothing wrong.
What's your
What are
name,
you
ma'am?
stopping me for?
Can I ask you?
Yo, I hate when they don't listen. I think there's a chemical in these wigs and weaves. I'm telling you, there's something in there because they all just can't subtly just be similar. They're the majority of them we've seen on these videos has been quite similar.
My name is Faith. That's my name.
My name is Deputy.
Hi, Deputy. How are you?
Can I-
He's stopping me for no reason.
I understand. You mind if I explain something to you?
What? He's lying, saying I ran into a stop sign. I wasn't even speeding. And then he's gonna talk
Do you
about he's gonna throw me out the car.
Do you have a dome light so I don't have to put the flashlight in this light?
Sure. Don't hit on this car. This is not my car.
She's not gonna do it.
I'm not gonna do it because I did nothing wrong.
Faith, relax.
Stop hitting on this car. This is not my car.
Faith, right here.
I don't like this. It takes all y'all for one person.
I'm just here to explain.
This is horrible. This is
Can I
ridiculous.
explain this to you, Faith?
What are you explaining?
I'm gonna explain to you the traffic law. Okay?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. You're saying that you ran a stop sign.
I did not. He's not telling the truth. I know I'm going through
Relax.
something right now, and I was doing speed limit. He's lying.
Faith, follow me here. We observed you driving.
Wait, get that out. It's nothing in the car. What are y'all looking
Faith,
at?
you
There's
gonna-
no drugs, no nothing.
Faith.
Lady, calm the hell down. He's trying to talk to you.
Right now you're driving a car, correct? Yes?
Okay.
So as someone that's traveling on a state road,
And I
you're
wasn't
required.
speeding.
I'm not saying that you're speeding.
So what are you stopping me for?
You're traveling in a vehicle.
Right?
Right now you're detained. You have
I'm not detained because I did nothing wrong.
Traffic stop is a lawful detention.
I did
Or
nothing
emergency
wrong.
lights
He's
are
stopping
on.
me for nothing. That's what I'm trying to tell you. He can't.
If an officer tells you that you are detained, then you are detained. You cannot change that. You cannot say no. They're lying. It's not even a lie. It's the fact that they don't want you to go anywhere. They're telling you that you are not allowed to leave.
Let me full throttle like something was going on, and I stopped. Like, who is this speeding behind me?
Can I finish? I'm listening to you. Can you listen to me for one second?
What am I stopped for? That's all I want to know. What am I being stopped for?
They told you that already.
As of right
He
now,
hasn't gave me a valid reason.
I'm sorry.
And if I was speeding, why you didn't stop me right then and there? Why you had to turn around and come and then push up on me and then put your lights on? Why?
Jesus Christ, he's always interrupting.
Can I explain to you the process, please?
You don't have to explain because I did nothing wrong.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you one time. So your driver's license.
You see, she asked for them to explain, but then she said she don't want them to explain. Oh my God.
Hang on a second. Right.
This is what you call delusion on turbo. This girl is a wacko.
Now you are lawfully detained.
No, I'm
Hang on a
not. I'm
second.
not being
Let me
detained
finish.
because I committed no crime,
finish.
sir.
Let me finish.
I committed no
Let me finish.
crime.
You're driving-
All this is being recorded.
That's fine.
That's fine.
You're traveling in a vehicle
Okay.
in the state of Florida. When you're pulled over for a lawful detainment,
I did not do anything wrong. I didn't commit a crime. What crime did I commit? Just give me my ticket so I can go. That's it.
I would love to if I can just get your license.
For what?
So I can write you the ticket.
For what? I don't have to give you my license. That's the law.
So let me explain something first.
I don't have to give you my license.
As of right now, I've asked multiple times.
Right, you have.
Right now,
What crime did I commit?
We're resisting without violence.
I'm resisting. What?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whatever you want to say. I have a lawyer. It's fine.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Do you have your driver's license?
I do.
Can I have it?
Oh, y'all got lawyers.
And there are 54.
Can I have it?
Everything is correct.
Okay. Do you want to take a look at it?
But for what reason?
Ma'am, the deputy saw you
I'm not.
on the stop
I'm talking
sign.
to him. I'm asking
Okay.
for what? I don't have to give
And
you my
I'm-
license.
and
I
I'm giving
committed
you
no
the reason.
crime. I
You do have to give them your license.
It's a
committed no
traffic
crime.
infraction.
He's lying. No,
On
I
top
did
of that,
not.
let me explain something
He's
to you.
lying.
You understand? This is not the place to
I'm
have
just trying to ask you,
roadside
why is
court.
all these police officers
I'm
for
just-
one
I'm trying to-
woman?
I'm trying to explain
One
to you.
woman.
If
Why?
you don't feel that you
There's no guns in the car,
went through
no
a stop
drugs,
sign,
what? No
you can
liquor,
argue
no
that in
alcohol.
court. That's not a problem. That's what court is for.
I know what court is for.
But in the meantime, I'll need your driver's license to write your citations.
What are you giving me citations for and I committed no crime?
Disobeying traffic control device, which is one of your stop signs.
Okay, so where's the proof?
316.123.
Where's the proof? Where's the proof?
We're going to go through that in court.
Where's the proof though?
We're going to go through that in court.
He's not telling the
That's
truth.
for the judge to decide. So do you mind giving
What
me your
is
driver's
the,
license?
you know what? Where's the whatchamacallit number for you guys? You guys have insurance. I need that number as well.
I can get it for you as well.
Good, I want it.
Okay, can I have your driver's license?
I want it. Write as many citations you want. I'm going to fight it in court because he's lying. This is horrible. Like all these police for what? There you go. You see it?
I have to write you the citation.
What are you writing me? I thought you stopped
I
me.
just explained to you.
Where is he?
Do you mind if I have it?
So what do you? Here you go. Right here. You see it?
I need to go back to my laptop so I can write the citation.
But you wasn't the one that stopped me. Where's the other one at?
I'll give it to him so we can write the citation.
Jesus Christ.
So what do you? Okay, this is the driver's license here.
I know. We need it so we can write it.
She's showing it to him like he's supposed to remember everything on there, then go back to his computer and type it up. Give it to him.
Okay, you see it. I committed no crime.
Ma'am, again,
I committed no crime. I committed no crime. I don't even have to give you
that's
my
not for us
license.
to discuss.
Well, I don't
It's
have
out
to
of
give you my license. You see it here. I'm showing it to you.
They're telling you that you just violated something, and you're talking about you didn't. And then now you want to go to court in the streets. This is not the place and time. You do that shit after they write you a citation, and you got to go to court for it. That's when you fight.
Just take a
I committed
picture
no
of it.
crime.
Do you mind if I take a picture of it?
No, I committed no crime.
So how am I going to identify you?
I'm showing you. I'm showing you my license.
Can I have it?
Here. You see, you're gonna sit up here and lie on me saying I was speeding?
Can I have your driver's license, ma'am?
If I was speeding, why you had to turn around and come back if I was speeding?
Again,
Listen, you're making this a lot harder.
I'm not making nothing because you stopped me for no reason.
Also, did you turn off the car?
What I need? What am I gonna do? Drive off?
At this point, I feel you are. Yes. Can you turn off the car?
I don't have to turn off nothing. What did I do?
Okay, she's not complying with anything. At this point, I know the officers are frustrated and they already got their mind set up. Yo, this chick, she got to go to jail. She got to learn a lesson. Because these people are human. And that's what I would have done. I would have made sure she learned her damn lesson.
I'm not committing a crime. What did I do? Y'all guys are just harassing me for no reason.
Okay, so
There's no weapons in the car. I showed you my license. What else? Everything's gonna count.
If we can take, yes, it is. If we can take your license, write your
I
citation.
just showed you my license. I committed no crime. I committed no crime.
That's not for you to argue on the side of the
I'm
road.
letting you know. I'm letting you know as a citizen. I committed no
I'm
crime.
understanding what you're saying, but we're going to agree to disagree. Is that fair?
Okay, what else?
I need your driver's
I don't have
license.
to give you that.
Ma'am, you do, because you're
For what?
resisting.
I'm not
So I can
resisting
write you the
nothing.
citation.
I'm talking to you guys.
Okay, she's only detained right now. She's going to move to another level, like Mario Brothers, to an arrest. All right, okay? So from a citation to being detained, well, she was detained when she got a citation. Now she's going to go to the arrest level, okay?
All right, man, how are we going to get your license number? How are we going to get it? Just a long 15-digit number on your license. How are we going to get it?
Can you stop tapping on the car, please? Can you
Maxine,
stop?
yes, ma'am, Maxine.
Look at her trying to deflect and throw attention to elsewhere for she could get mad at something else. Let's focus on the matter at hand.
I just showed it to you. I just showed it to you.
You're also not wearing your seatbelt.
Okay, well,
Bam, that's another one. she get infractions. Yo, seatbelt, stop sign, speeding. They're gonna hit you with all that. You keep acting a fool.
Let me write you the ticket, right?
that's
So
fine.
can I
It
get
doesn't
license and write
matter.
you the ticket?
For what? Like what?
You're not.
And then they definitely gonna hit you with resistance, because I know you ain't gonna just go willingly.
Y'all wasting my time right now.
Well, if you would've
This is
given
a
me your
waste of
license,
time. I don't
I
have to
can
because I
write
did
the
nothing wrong. I'm telling you, I did nothing wrong.
Wearing your seatbelt is not a law.
Let me just report this, because this is getting too much. This is getting too much.
Listen, if your license is invalid, I'm on the business right.
Excuse me, my license is valid, honey.
Okay,
My
let me
license
see
is
it.
very valid. I just
Then
showed
prove
it to you
it.
guys. She took a picture of it.
Listen, no one's here trying to mess with
What?
anyone. We're just doing
What
our
do you mean?
job.
What? You harassing me for no reason? That's what? I should be aggravated. Talking about what? I'm going. Pull who out the car? I want you guys to pull me out the car. Lawsuit.
Five cameras
I
are going
want
to
you
show that
guys
we've
to
tried
pull
to
me out the
explain to you
car.
exactly
I want you guys to
what
pull
the
me out the
reason
car.
is.
That'll be a great
And you're
lawsuit.
still resisting.
How am I resisting? I did no crime.
Because we're giving you a law.
I don't have to. I did nothing wrong.
You committed a traffic
I
infraction.
did not. He's lying.
You ran a stop sign.
So what? How did I? Really? Let me see it. Don't check our
You're
camera.
also
Let
not
me see
wearing
that
your
I ran.
seatbelt.
Let me
Your tint
see.
is also illegal.
This is not my car, baby. This is a
That's fine.
Turo.
Now they got you on the tents.
This has nothing to do
You're the
with me.
owner and operator of the vehicle.
So what we racked up so far? We got the no seatbelt. We got the tents, speeding, running the stop sign.
This is not my
You
car.
control the vessel
This is
right
not
now.
my car.
Are you an actual
This,
physical
it
control
doesn't
of the car?
matter. I have Turo.
Hey Gemini, briefly, what is Turo?
Turo is a peer-to-peer car-sharing marketplace, often described as the, quote, Airbnb for cars.
That is not my vehicle. So whoever put this on
You'd
here.
still be getting the ticket.
No, well, it
Okay, for those who don't know what Turo is, that's a car rental app that you could, if you own vehicles, other people could rent from you.
So I didn't put anything on it.
So we acknowledge that we're not wearing a seatbelt. We
Okay.
acknowledge that the tint is
And this
too
is not my car. This is a Turo. Anything else?
driving and operating of the vehicle.
But this,
It's like an Airbnb, but with vehicles.
this is not my car to put
And we
tint on
can't-
it.
and we can't
This is
prove
not
that
my
you have a
car
valid
for
driver's
tint.
license.
This has nothing to do with me. I rented the car like this. So you make no
You're
sense.
still
at this
responsible
point.
for it, man.
How am I responsible for someone that owns this vehicle? I don't own it.
So if you got in a car
This is a
accident right
waste of
now,
time
if
right
you got in a
now.
car
This is
accident
a
right
waste
now
of
and
time.
someone died,
This
you
is a
wouldn't be
waste of
responsible?
time. What do you? Come on, we're talking about 10 and
Just
somebody
because it's a
dying.
rental?
We're talking about 10 and somebody dying right now.
All right, so what if you didn't kill
Like
someone
for
in a car
real,
accident?
seriously.
You just hit another car.
Seriously,
You wouldn't
be
be
smart.
responsible as a
Come on,
driver?
you're talking about a tent and someone dying.
All right, so at this point, we're going to probably have to move forward. I'm going to ask you, will you please step out of the vehicle?
What?
Okay, bam. She moved to another level. She on what, the third stage of Mario Brothers? King Koopa.
Am I stepping out of the vehicle
Because
for?
as of right now, you're resisting and you're subject to be arrested.
Arrested for what crime did I commit? Tell me what crime did I commit? What crime did I commit?
You try to explain to
Please do not open. This is illegal.
She literally talked herself into jail. Yo, I'm telling you, these are bad people. I'm talking about her type. Do not hang around a friend like this. You don't want that to be nowhere around you, associated with you. Trust me, because they do not understand logic and respect. She could have easily got out of probably even a ticket if she was just showed respect and showed that she was probably sorry for it and admitted to it. But she want to do all this shit.
Her kryptonite is accountability.
This is illegal. They're opening my car door illegally.
It's on our cameras too. Step out.
Okay, please.
Step
don't.
out.
I'm gonna step out. Just don't
Step
touch
out.
me. I'm stepping out.
Step out on your own.
I'm gonna
Step
step
out on
out.
your
Just
I guarantee you she's not gonna go willingly.
tell him don't touch me.
Relax.
Don't touch me.
Step out on your own.
The fuck is wrong with y'all?
Harder than it should be. Could you step out on your own, ma'am?
So what's going on now?
We've
Just let me know
been
what's going
explaining
on.
to you for the past 10 minutes.
Let me know what's going on because I committed no crime.
We're going to write you citation.
Can I have a sergeant?
Yeah,
I need a sergeant now.
No,
I need a
now
sergeant
she
now.
prolonging.
No.
Step out.
I'm asking for a sergeant.
Step out of the
I'm
door.
asking for a sergeant.
Come on.
All right, step out of
I'm gonna step out. Don't touch me. I'm gonna step out on my own. Don't touch me. Please don't. I'm gonna step out. I'm telling you. I'm gonna step
Lady, they ain't got all day
out.
Let's put up the crazy club!
or all night.
You got one more guy. Come on.
Step out of the
Tell
car.
him stop touching me, please.
Step out of the car.
I'm gonna step out.
Stop the bullshit, okay?
Okay. So, can I get my shoes on?
Come on. Come on.
What are you?
Plenty of opportunity.
Are you ready? Let me tell you something. You are not going to do that.
All that shit talking. Y'all get so delusional and think y'all got some kind of strength and power, or know the law. You can change the law around and don't get arrested. Like you got some kind of diplomatic immunity or some stupid shit.
Driver's license.
Look at her with her bitch ass.
Went to jail. Smart parents.
Why you handling me so? You have a mother and children, right? Why you have did nothing wrong?
And the victim award goes to...
She's dragging me. I did nothing. You handling me like I'm a
You did nothing wrong. Okay.
Am I going to jail?
We're going to decide that in a second.
Am I going to jail? What did I do
You've
wrong?
done everything to go to jail.
But I did not. No, I
Hell
did not.
yeah.
I didn't disrespect. I didn't hit you guys. I didn't curse you out.
At this point,
I just asked you.
You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail.
He said yes.
Can I call someone?
Get in the car.
That's my dog. He said at this point, yes.
Here's one for you. Get in the car.
Shouts out to the no BS cop.
Get in the car.
I can't go back to jail.
You're going to get another resisting charge. You're going to get
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
She's been arrested before? For nothing, dude. For absolutely nothing.
Hey, put that window halfway up.
I think Trump was taking
Yo, write down on the comments what you think she deserves. Do you think she deserved to have been arrested, or just ticketed, or just free to let go because she ain't do nothing wrong? Write down what you think. All right, yo, go to this channel right here. They are the providers of the video. Support their channel. I'm sure they got more content you can watch over there without my commentary. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and also subscribe to us, Logic on Steroids. All right, yo, I got more videos coming. I'm gonna hit them with the bangers. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.